In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a shape in Google Slides using your PC. This quick skill can really make your presentations more visually appealing and help you match your slides to a specific theme, style, or brand. First, open up Google Slides in your browser and sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. From the homepage, you can either start a new blank presentation or pick a template, which is a great option if you want your slides to have a polished, consistent look right away. Once your presentation is open, select the slide you want to work on. If you already have a shape, just click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the small blue handles around it. If you don't have a shape yet, simply insert one by clicking the shape icon in the toolbar and choosing the shape you'd like. Now, with your shape selected, look at the top toolbar and find the paint bucket icon. That's the fill color tool. Click on it and you'll see a palette with a wide range of colors, from bold and bright tones to softer muted options. You can even create a custom color or use a specific hex code if you need to match your brand's exact shade. Just click the color you want and instantly your shape changes to that color. If you're not happy with your choice, no problem. Just repeat the step and try out different shades until you find the one that looks best. And that's it. Changing the color of shapes in Google Slides is simple, but it can make a big difference in how engaging and professional your presentation feels. Play around with the options, experiment with combinations, and you'll quickly see how much more polished your slides can look.